I wish to share with you a letter that was written by our Gnani Pujya Deepak Bhai when he was in Hyderabad recently on the 12th of December 2015. Now, December 2nd, 2015, which happens to be the birthday of Pujya Niruma. And on this occasion, he wrote a special letter, which is there in front of us right now. This is his handwriting in Gujarati. I will read the letter first in Gujarati and then go with line by line translations in English. આજે આપણા વાલા નિરૂમાનો જન્મ દિવસ ડિસેમ્બર 2, 2015 હૈદરાબાદ. જેમ દાદા ભગવાન નિરંતર યાદ આવ્યા જ કરે તેમ નિરૂમા પણ નિરંતર યાદ આવ્યા જ કરે છે. દીકરો માને સંભારે તેના કરતા વિશેષ મા દીકરાને સંભારે તેવું લખો છો, તેવું લખે છે. દાદાના દરેક મહાત્મા એટલે નિરૂમાના બાળકો. કંઈ પણ પ્રોબ્લેમ હોય તો નિરૂમા હાજર જ અને સોલ્યુશન આપી આવે, સોલ્યુશન માપી આપે, કચાશો માટે ચેતવે, જાગૃત કરે. દાદાનું કામ સારું થતું હોય તો આશીર્વાદ આપી જાય અને જરીક દુઃખ ઊભા થતા થાય તો નિરૂમા જોડે ઊભા જ હોય. નિરૂમાને તો એક જ પ્રાર્થના કે મને તમે મળ્યા છો એવા સૌને તમે મળો અને સૌનું કલ્યાણ કરો. નેક્સ્ટ પેરેગ્રાફ. માં, તમારો અંતિમ સંદેશો પ્રેમથી રહેજો તે માટે આશીર્વાદ આપજો કે અમે સૌ પ્રેમ સ્વરૂપ થઈ જઈએ અને જગત જોડે પ્રેમથી રહીએ. એ ધ્યેય માટે જ જીવીએ. જ્ઞાનમાં આજ્ઞામાં રહી પ્રેમ સ્વરૂપ થઈ જઈએ અને લોકોના કલ્યાણ માટે આ મન વચન કાયા ફના થઈ જાય. જેમ આપે આખી જિંદગી મન વચન કાયા પોતા માટે કિંચિત માત્ર નહીં પણ દાદા માટે અને સામી વ્યક્તિના આત્યંતિક કલ્યાણ અર્થે જ ખર્ચી નાખ્યા અને આજે પણ દિન રાત એ જ આપ કરી રહ્યા છો. એવું અમે અલ્પ પણ કરી શકીએ એ માટે શક્તિ માગીએ છીએ, આશીર્વાદ માગીએ છીએ. દીપકના જય સચ્ચિદાનંદ. Now we do it in English. Today is the birthday of our very dear Niruma. To the right of this is written the date. In India, you write the month in the middle, like they write in Europe. You start with 2nd December 2015 in Hyderabad. Our Gnani was there in Hyderabad on that day. Just as Dada Bhagwan, meaning Gnani Purush Dada Shri, comes continuously in the memory within. Similarly, Niruma too comes continuously in the memory for sure within. The mother will surely remember the son. However, the mother remembers the son much more than the son mothers the mother. So this translation, exact translation of the second sentence is, a son may remember the mother. However, the way this is being written is that the mother is certainly remembering the son more. All meaning all the entire family of the Akram Vignan Parivar every Mahatma of Dadashri, the Gnani Purush, means they are the children of Niruma. Even whenever a problem arises, Niruma is present for sure, and she brings about a solution. She shows the solution from within. And if there is any weakness in the awareness, then she warns from within. She increases the awareness. And if the result of the work, or if the work of Dada is a good work, then she also leaves by blessing it. And whenever any Mahatma experiences the slightest pain of any kind, then Niruma is standing by him or her for sure. Today, I have only one prayer to Niruma, that just as you have met me, in the same way, please meet everyone and please do the salvation of all of them. Mother, your ultimate message, the final message of yours was live with love, prem ti rehjo. For that, please give us all the blessings that we all become the embodiment of love, L capital, and that we live with the entire world with love, and that we live for only this goal, that we remain in the Gnan and in the Agna, and by remaining in that, we become the embodiment of love. And for the salvation of the people of the world, let this entire mind, speech, and body be immersed in it and let it be completely used up in it. And just as you, Niruma, have lived your entire life in which you have not at all used your mind, speech, or body for your own self to the slightest extent at all, but for the work of Dada and for the final liberation of the opposite person, anyone you met. And just as you spent your life in this manner, and in a similar manner today also, from day and night, you are continuing to do so. And we are asking that if we can do even a slightest amount of such work for you, for such work, for that we are asking for those energies from you, O Mother, and we are also asking for your blessings. And this is signed by Deepak Najay Satchidanand, means Jai Satchidanand from Deepak. Very beautiful letter, and with highest namaskars for the presence of the Saraswati, which writes such beautiful language of the pure self and for the salvation of the world. Highest namaskars to Puja Gnani Purush Dada Shri, Atma Gnani Puja Niruma, and our current living Gnani Puja Deepak Bhai. Jai Satchidanand.